Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on the symbol label on TradingView, which can be a real game changer if you want to keep your charts clean but still see exactly what you're looking at. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make sure the ticker symbol is always visible, right on your price panel, making navigation much simpler, especially if you have multiple charts open. So if you've ever wondered how to add that little label with your symbol's name, you're in the right place. Alright, let's dive right in. When you're on TradingView and you've got a chart open, the first thing you want to do is focus on the price panel. That's the area along the right edge of your chart where all the price action is displayed, alongside the current price of the symbol you're watching. Think of this as the control panel for your price display. Tiny tweaks here can change the whole look and feel of your trading setup. Now move your mouse over the price panel, but don't click just yet. Once you're hovering over that area, go ahead and right-click. This brings up a context menu, a little set of options specific to the price panel, sort of like when you right-click a file on your computer to see what you can do with it. In this menu, you'll see a few different settings. What you want to look for is the option called Label. It might not jump out at you immediately, so take a second to look over the list. Once you see Label, click on it. This is where we're going to enable the symbol name label. After you click Label, another set of options will appear. Here you should see something like Symbol Name Label. Now this is the feature we're after. Click on Symbol Name Label, and just like that, TradingView will add the name of the current symbol directly onto your price panel. It's a small touch, but super helpful, especially when you're flipping between different assets or monitoring several charts at once. It's kind of like putting a sticky note at the top of your desk, so you always know exactly what you're working on. You might notice the symbol name label pop up instantly, but if it takes a moment to appear, don't worry, sometimes TradingView just needs to refresh the display. If the label still doesn't appear, double-check that you clicked on the right spot. Sometimes, if you're not quite over the price panel, TradingView won't show the right menu, which can be confusing the first time you try it. And that's really all there is to it. Turning on the symbol label helps you keep your charts organized, which is especially important if you're tracking multiple stocks, cryptos, or forex pairs during a session. It gives you quick visual confirmation, so you're never left wondering which chart you're analyzing. This little detail can actually save you from making costly mistakes. Alright, I hope this walkthrough helped simplify things for you. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or if you ran into any hiccups along the way, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you and I do my best to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward TradingView tutorials and tips just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.